morning students, hope you are doing well and fine. So today we are going to start the exercise, that is 6.1, our first exercise. So one figure is given to you, okay. In that figure we have to find out which one is median and which one is altitude, right? So both are starting from the vertex P, okay, and this we are talking about first PM, the line starting from the vertex and joining here. So this line is making a altitude here, not a median, because PM is the altitude here, D is the midpoint of Q and R, where Q and D is equal to D and R. Okay, so first, in the first case, PM is altitude, okay. In the second case, what is PD? PD is the median, because D is the midpoint of Q R and QD is equal to DR. The question is QM is equal to MR? No. QM is not equal to MR because here M is not the midpoint, okay. Here D is the midpoint. Not M. Okay. Here the third one is QM is equal to MR. In this case, no, it is not equal because D is the midpoint of QR, not M. So QD is equal to DR. Okay. Just go through it. Question number 2A part. So we have to draw a rough diagram, rough figure with the help of pencil, make it, okay. Don't make with the pen, okay. So in the question, in triangle ABC, BE is the median we have to make, okay. So from B we have to make the median, right. So the figure will be like this, right. It's a triangle. So A, B, C. So this is the triangle ABC. And what you have to do, we have to draw the median, means we have to draw a BE as a median, midpoint of this. It will be coming somewhere here. So BE is the median. So in triangle, just write this one, in triangle ABC, in which line segment BE is the median, drawn from B to AC. Okay. Try to draw each and every figure with pencil, not with pen, okay. Just go through it. Come to question number 2, B part. So draw a rough sketch here. We have to draw a triangle PQR, in which PQ and PR are the altitudes of a triangle. So we have to draw an altitude here. So we just go for right angle triangle. Which this, so this is a right angle triangle in which, if you see PR from this side, this is the altitude, okay, and if you see PQ from this side, this is an altitude of this two, and PR, this is an altitude of this two. So we have to draw a right angle triangle, okay. So once again I am telling you, here PR, when we looking like this, PR, this is an PQ. So PQ is the altitude here. Then we are talking about PR. PR is an altitude here. Okay, just go through it. We now come to the question number 3, next part. So here we have to draw a figure. In a triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of a triangle. Okay, exterior of the triangle means it should be outside. Okay, outside the triangle. The figure will be like this. Okay, so this is Y, this is X, and this is Z. So we are talking about exterior, and YL should be the altitude, so it will be like coming this. So this is the figure, this is the altitude from exterior, means outside the triangle. Okay, let's go through it. Okay, come to the next question, question number 3. Verify by drawing a diagram of a median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be the same. Okay, here this question number 3 is homework for you. Okay, so here you have to draw an isosceles triangle and you have to show the altitude and median. So this is an isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. So this is the figure like this. The figure will come. So this is the vertex. Suppose, for example, ABC I have taken. So from vertex to the opposite sides, that is PC. So you have to show that whether this line AE, we can take it, okay, is a median and altitude of a triangle. So in the last you have to verify that yes, it is like that. Okay, so that statement you have tried is given in the question. Okay, so this question is homework for you, so just go through it. Come to next exercise, that is 6.2. okay, so here we have to find the value of exterior angle, that is given x, right? So there is one formula: exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Okay, so here we have to write in every question. Okay, in every question we have to write this. So the first question is 50 degree and 70 degree is given. We have to find the value of this exterior angle outside the triangle. So x is equal to sum, means we have to add 50 degree plus 70 degree. So x is equal to how much? 120 degree. This is the answer of the first one, A part. This is the A1. Same way, come to the B1. Then also x degree is equal to 60 plus 45. So x is equal to 5, 6 plus 4, that is 10. Okay. Now come to the third part, that is C. I am writing this side. Okay. So same, x degree is equal to 30 degree plus 40 degree. So x is equal to how much? 70 degree. So these are the three questions. Okay, hope it is clear to you. What you have to do for finding the exterior angle, we have to do the addition of interior opposite angles, or if the question is like this, find the interior angle, there we have to do the subtraction with exterior angle. That we are going to do in the next part. Okay, just go through it. So 3 questions I have already done. Rest 3 questions you have to do it by your own. Okay, D, E, F or 4, 5, 6. Same part, question number 1. Rest of the questions you have to do it by your own. This figure you have to draw it small, very small, not too small. Okay, on the right hand side of the page, and just beside the figure solve the questions. Okay, just go through it. Now come to question number 2. So here find the value of unknown interior angles. Okay, so here in this question exterior angle is given to you, one interior angle is given to you, one is not given to you. That we have to find out. Okay, so how we are going to find out is that there is a formula here also. Sum of exterior angle is equal to, sum of interior, I have written exterior here, sum of interior sum of interior angle is equal to exterior angle here. So it will be like this. First one I am doing A part, x plus 50 degrees is equal to 115 degrees. So here we have to transpose 50 to RHS to find the value of x here. So x is equal to, first we have to write 115. This plus, when we shift here, it will get subtracted, minus. So x is equal to, that is 5 and minus 65 degree. Okay, the first answer is 65 degree. Now come to the next one. This is, I am writing A here, this is B and this is C. So B I am writing here, this side, same thing. So x plus 70 degree is equal to what? 100 degree. So x is equal to 100 minus 70 degree. So here x is equal to how much? 30 degree. So 100 minus 70 is 30. So 30 is the answer of the second one. Okay, just go through it. So here x is equal to 30 degree we got. Now come to the next C part. C I am writing here this side. Okay, so here if you see the figure, this is 90 degree symbol. Okay, 90, especially 90 degree is not written there, but you have to see the figure and understand here. So here x plus 90 degree is equal to 125 degree. Okay, so x degree is equal to 125 minus 90 degree. So x is equal to how much? So 125 minus 95, 35. Okay, so x is equal to 35 degree. So here also in this question, 3 questions I have already done here. Rest 3 of the questions you have to do it by your own. Okay, the same method, same thing you have to do, only the number is changed, right? So just go through it, and 4, 5, 6 or D, E, F. Same question number 2 is homework for you. Okay, this one is homework. Yeah, just go through it. Okay, so here we have completed the 2 exercise, that is 6.1 and 6.2, and please do the homework and practice the questions. Okay, and draw the figure with pencil only. Okay, just go through it, practice the question and do it.